right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections, and just overall condition of the vehicle. Here on the front right wheel, you could use a good polish. I don't see any rash. Looking at the tires, got the Goodyears. They got a good amount of tread left. Here on the fender, you're gonna have little rock impacts here and there. You're gonna see little dimples in the paint. You can see those. Looking at the pipes, they could use a polish, but overall they look good. That fender looks nice. That trim looks good. Overall, that chrome is clean. You're going to see the chipping in here from where the door has made contact. There's a chip there. Typical little chips in this section. Looking at this wheel, I don't see any curb rash. We do have a gash right there, one right here, and a couple chips. And you're gonna see, I don't know what that is. It's on the surface. It looks like some sort of glue almost, but let's just say those are some scuffs. All right, looking at the front, these stripes are painted on. You're gonna see some typical rock impacts, little scuffs, some kind of water stains in those stripes. A few rock chips here. Looking at the headlight, you have some damage right there. The clarity is really nice on both of those. There's some spider cracking in this area. Little scuffs. I need to tuck those wires in better. Some rash down there. Got the spider cracks in here. That headlight looks good. That marker light looks good. Typical rock impacts though. All right, scanning through the engine bay here. This is from Lone Star Classics. All right, let's look at the driver's side here. A couple rock impacts in this area. You're gonna see a few little bubbles in the paint. See a gash right there, a couple chips. Some scuffs right here. Looking at this wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Could definitely use a good polish though. And then same with the side pipes. You're gonna see some imperfections in the door here. So I kind of scan through that reflection in the light. You have some scuffs here, some gashes there, some scratches here, and then some rock impacts. I don't see any rash on this wheel. Once again, it needs a little polishing. Some scratches, little scuffs here. All right, checking out the back. You're gonna see little scuffs and swirls from just everyday washing. Shows mostly on the black stripes there. Those lights look good. Overall, that chrome's clean. You do have damage down here. Just kind of scanning underneath here. A couple scuffs here. And there's those gashes again. Then you have your little shields here. All right, checking out the interior. Got a couple chips here. Overall, that door panel looks good. Now this does make contact with the fiberglass here. That's kind of its resting point. So it has scuffed it a little bit. You have some wear right here. Same in there. Looking at the seat, that looks good. Nice and clean. Couple scuffs here and there, but otherwise in great condition. The steering wheel, that looks really good. Couple chips. A little bit of wear on the metal here. It could use a good polish. That looks good. That looks awesome. Really cool. Here on the passenger door panel, overall in good condition. You do have some chips up here. You can see some cracks right here, and this does make contact with this when the door is all the way open. Little scuffs and scratches. You do have the wear marks here and the chips. Looking at the seat, overall in good condition. Carpets look nice. That looks amazing. Upper section looks good. Console's clean.